As a 6-motor touchscreen trunk engineering machine, it is widely used in various engineering fields. Newly upgraded 4.3-inch touchscreen. A more user-friendly UI interface. Sensitive button plus touchscreen dual operation modes. Fusion Splicer adopts CNC high-precision process. The silicone sheath wraps around the fuselage for all-round protection. 6 seconds splicing, 16 seconds heating. The average loss is only 0.01 dB. Core-to-core alignment, and you can see the splicing quality clearly. Innovative, tool-free replacement of electrode rods. Electrode life up to 5,000 cycles. 3-in-1 fixture for many types of optical fibers. 7,800 mAh large capacity lithium battery. A full charge supports 450 times of splicing and heating. Standard large capacity double cooling tray. Twice the carrying capacity than conventional. Meet the outdoor continuous fiber splicing and cooling. The Fusion Splicer is rich in scalability. Possibility to use a cleaver table. It can realize cutting, splicing, and cooling in one step. FX39 Fusion Splicer User Guide. Press and hold the machine for 3 seconds to turn on. Cover the fiber to be splicing with a shrinkable sleeve. Use fiber stripper with large diameter to peel off the fiber jacket. Cut the Kevlar wire with Kevlar scissors. Use fiber stripper with medium caliber to peel off the soft rubber protective layer. Small diameter stripping of optical fiber coating. Use optical cleaning wipe dipped in alcohol to wipe the fiber optic cable to make it clean and dust-free. Place the cued fiber in the Fusion Splicer fixture. Repeat the above operation on the other end of the optical fiber. Put on the windproof cover and wait for 6 seconds for the splicing to be completed. Move the optical protective sleeves to the splicing point. Put it into the heat oven. When you hear the prompt tone, the heating is completed. Take out the optical fiber and place it in a cooling tray to cool it down.